Welcome everyone, and we are into the final match of IPL 2021, and it will be an exciting match, and the pressure will be having an important role in this match. So the players who can play without the pressure, everyone will feel the pressure, but the players who can handle the pressure will be the best contributing to the team, and that team will be the winners. So by considering both the teams, the experience of the CSK players is far better than the experience of the KKR. So we know that the players like Duplessis, Dhoni, Jadeja, and Hazelwood, like that players, and also Moeen Ali, who is a fearless player, and these type of players can have a major impact for the win of CSK. But KKR is a lineup with best bowling in this game. Their bowling lineup, we can look at their bowling lineup. So you have to consider the main bowlers like Varun Chakravarti. He can make the every players in the CSK a tough fight, and also Ferguson, who can initially break the opening partnership for CSK. If he can't do that, then the Ruturaj Gaikwad can be a lot scoring in this match. So you have to make the captain as Ruturaj Gaikwad. Then you must not make Ferguson a VC, and also then Shivam Mavi is playing currently very well, and also in all-rounder section, Sunil Narayan is a good bowler. So, and by considering these bowlers like Shakib also, maybe Russell will play this match. So you can see the KKR bowling is very strong, but also in this match, if the CSK batsman can score a decent score, it is possible for them because they have a good batting lineup. Then I think they will be going to win. So we can look at some of the captaincy option to win the GL in this match. I think mainly first option is Gaikwad, and if he can, he's a player who can play without feeling the pressure. We have seen his play before. Due to his current form, he can play like without pressure. And also Rahul Tripathi is a player in KKR side who can play without pressure. And also, and looking this Shubman Gill, also a very good option for you to select. And also Rayudu will be a differential pick, and I will not prefer Nitish Rana. And also by moving Uthappa also, I don't think he can play in these pressure matches. And wicketkeeper, you have Dhoni and Dinesh Karthik. So by considering the keeping and also the batting in the previous match, you can go with Dhoni. And then in all-rounder section, Venkatesh Iyer is in good form, but in this match I don't think he will be playing very well in his batting. Deepak Chahar may be taking his wicket, and also Jadeja. If the CSK batting flops, then Jadeja can be a big role in giving runs for that team. And also Moeen Ali also today may be used as a spinner, so we can go with him as a player. And if you want, you can give him a captaincy option also. Don't know whether Bravo plays today or not. And also in the bowling lineup, CSK has Hazelwood, which is an experienced player, so we can avoid Hazelwood from this match. And also Thakur, who is a very good wicket taker, And also Varun Chakravarti also is a big wicket taker. If he take wickets, then it will be around more than 2 or 3 wickets. So it is also a captaincy option based on the condition in which you are making the teams. So if CSK is going to lose, if you think, then Chakravarti have a major impact, and also Tripathi also can have a big impact. So if CSK is going to win, then you have to give the captaincy option to Gaikwad, then Moeen Ali, and also in these 3 bowlers you can give the captaincy options. And if you think the opening partnership will goes well, then you can take Gaikwad and du Plessis. And in wicket-keeping position we want Dhoni, and also in batting you can go with Gill or avoid Gill if you think that Chahar can take Gill. I feel that Chahar will take initial wicket, which will be very good for your GL team. And then Morgan can play well. You know that his experience is that much. And Uthappa I don't prefer. And then in this team you can, I think the CSK batsman will play very cautiously to Sunil Narayan, so we can avoid him also. And if you want, you can take Shakib, or if Russell plays. And then yes, and if you need, you can go with any all-rounder or any batsman that you need. That is your wish. Okay, let's go for Jadeja if you can remove Dhoni. Okay, so I am removing Dhoni and taking Karthik, so that we can include Jadeja also. Jadeja can be a good bowling option. So, and this will be my final team, and you can give the captaincy to, this is a CSK winning team, you can give captaincy to Gaikwad, Faf, Ali, and also bowlers like Thakur, Deepak Chahar. And if you are going to make a team which support KKR win, then you can make Varun Chakravarti captain and add more KKR bowlers. And for batting section you can make Tripathi as captain and add Gill like players, so that you can skip Rudraj Gaikwad, so that it will be easy for KKR to win. Or in some team you can add Gaikwad also, and that is the my final team. So if Russell plays, and if CSK is adding Imran Tahir like leg break bowlers, so it will be advantage for CSK. So let us look that and make the team. Okay, best wishes for you all, and crack the GL. Okay, that's it. Thank you.